This video is for someone who is trying to do some, creation of something, game or whatever with AI, and you run into an issue that you believe AI has created, and you're like stuck. So let me show you first what we're talking about, and then I'll tell you what the problem is and so on. So we're gonna get here. Okay, I'm in the side tunnel, and I can go all the way to the end. The door is closed. All right, and when I hit the door, it flashes. You see that? It flashes. Okay. The problem was when I first started doing this with AI, let me back up to here. You can tell that I'm barely in the hallway, in the tunnel, that is. Both 3D and 2D are correct in showing me barely in the tunnel. But the problem was that it started flashing right here, not over there at the door, right here. And I must have gone an hour and something with Gemini trying to explain many different ways, showing the code, trying this, trying that. It would not fix it. And finally, I said, is there a number that I can just tweak manually myself? He said, sure. So I started tweaking it. And at first I thought, oh, yeah, this is going to fix it. No, what happened was, forget 2D, that was not moving forward at all. It was just when I crossed the threshold, I was appearing right here. But I was literally still back at the beginning. And if I turned around to prove that I was just crossed the threshold, I was staring at this view right here. So it just magnified the perspective, but it didn't fix the problem. So finally, after going around and around, I'm thinking, how can I kept trying to tell Gemma, I said, look, I'm obviously able to move because my individual key clicks, up arrow, are incrementing something, but it kept insisting, no. So finally, I had this idea. This is what the point of the video. I asked Gemini to give me, in the area of that code that was in question, give me some debugging statements that would count up, and I would go keystroke by keystroke and watch the output. Okay, and I would also in my mind count the keystrokes, and that's what I did. And early on, the output said you've reached the door, and I knew I hadn't. And so I made a comment right in the, you can do this, for example, I am not at the far door. Okay, so I interspersed my own comments within the output of the code, and I just kept counting. And finally, then I just highlighted all of the output, gave it to Gemini, and that's when it realized the error and finally gave me working code.